everybody, it is very late, but I thought I would do a video on a whim. Tonight we have the Charms Fluffy Stuff Scaredy Cat Cotton Candy. It comes in watermelon and grape flavor. I guess it's Halloween flavor. Oh, well. I got some airborne, but not too much. So we got a mix. Okay. I taste the watermelon. And I taste the grape.